Today I did some invisible locks. You see that Super Grow hair gel right there. I get it off of Amazon. This Brazilian wool yarn I got from Amazon as well. In the braiding rack. Pretty much everything here I got from Amazon. I am an Amazon queen. I cut each strand into about 7 to 8 inch pieces. And the thickness is just how it wraps off of the yarn. Like that's the actual thickness that comes from the yarn. So I'm going to show you guys again in a later clip. But for right now, just take the piece of yarn and on your right leg, you're going to just put it at the base of your natural hair and wrap it around. Literally placing it there and at the base of your natural hair and wrap it around. Like literally wrapping like you're trying to cover the yarn. And that's pretty, or the braiding hair, whichever one you're using. Some people use Cuban twist, but this is what I had at the house, and I did not feel like going to the store to get it. And then once you have those wrapped to the right, you're going to take that right leg and wrap it to the left. And now the left leg is at the right, and you're going to wrap that to the left. And you're just going to keep going, and that's how you create a 2-strand twist. You're going to go ahead and secure it at the bottom to the length that you would like. I wanted these to be short because at my job I have to have my hair up my collar, and also I didn't feel like braiding it down that long, or twisting it down that long. Again, just another angle, again, separating your hair into the sections that you would like. This 3-way mirror I also got from Amazon, and I will try my best to link all this stuff or in the comments or in the caption section. I'll try. Again, go ahead and put your jam, gel it up. Don't overly gel it because if your hair is like mine, very 4C, high dense, it's going to poof right back up. But you just want to put enough to where it's going to, slick down and not look ratchet, So go ahead and make 2 sections here. Take your braiding hair or yarn or whatever you're using. Again, this is Brazilian wool and it mimics hair. It doesn't look like the yarn, that red heart yarn that we used to use back in the day and that you get from Amazon and Walmart. And for the front, I noticed that the method I was using in the back wasn't working. So I went ahead and did a flat twist, like a 2-strand twist, but to your scalp. So you take 2 sections, and as if you're going to do a cornrow, but you're just going to 2-strand twist it to the scalp. And once you get both of those sections complete, you're going to add your braiding hair to the root. Add your braiding hair to the root and twist that braiding hair with your natural hair to the right, and then cross over and twist it to the left, and twist it to the right, twist it to the left, like that until you get the 2-strand twist all the way done, and secure the ends with a rubber band. This is the way I made sure that my roots were not puffing up, and that's the finished look. I went ahead and fixed some things off camera, but like the little scraggly ends there, but I think I like it, and so far so good.